Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satakashi Kumari and it will mean a lot to me if you spare a moment and subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I have come up with this makeup look, wedding guest makeup look. So if you are a guest in a wedding, so you can just recreate this look and you can tag me on my Instagram ID. My Instagram ID is on the screen mentioned or definitely in the description box. So if you like my video, then all you have to do is keep watching this video.
Wither out, but I can't ignore the ache. Lying deep underground, you must have lost your way. Look around, all we can do now is pray. Make it count. I've lived through water, I've lived, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted, we fought out so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom.
Just like me, to mess up a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than back when we had it easy. And now you don't believe me when I say I'll change. But how can I lose you now? Whoa, the silence is way too loud. Yeah, 'cause I won't be okay without you every day. Baby, don't run away. Baby, don't throw our love away. Baby, don't throw our love away. Baby, don't throw our love away. Away, yeah, yeah. Away, yeah, yeah. Away, yeah, yeah. Baby, don't throw our love away. Just like me, still instigating things. Fucking up another perfect night when all you ever did was.
She's the it girl, the one to know. Out of your dreams, she makes it known. She's A-list, but no one knows what I know, what I know. She'll chew you up and spit you out. She'll take your soul without a doubt. She'll break your heart, 'cause no one knows what I know, what I know. I know what she has to hide. She will cut you deep inside. You should turn it up, 'cause you don't know what's behind those blue eyes. What's behind those blue eyes? What's behind those blue eyes? She's turning heads and taking names, but in her mind it's all a game. She'll make you feel like you're the one, but
Memories fade away. Wither out, but I can't ignore the ache. Lying deep underground, you must have lost your way. Look around, all we can do now is pray. Make it count.
If you like my my video, then do like, subscribe and share, and do let me know in the comment section below that what next do you want. Till then, stay safe, stay happy and stay at home. So meet you in the next video. Love you all. Bye bye.